If you want to have amazing, healthy, youthful skin, you are at the right place. I'll teach you guys how to use 12-in-1 anti-aging bundle where you save so much money. Here are a few reviews based from my clients on this bundle. People love it, save a lot of money. And imagine you just bought it and you have no clue. You wanted to save a lot of money. You want to look good, and this is what you will get. I squeeze most of the products in that beautiful cosmetic bag that you're going to receive with this bundle. Look at this dermaroller. And you're going to receive 3 sizes of dermaroller. So let me show you actually what you will get, and then after I will show you how to use it. You're gonna receive 3 different sizes dermarollers. People asking me what is the difference? The difference that I am the founder who figure out that market has like crappy, shitty, fake wheels in the dermarollers. I have a video right here. I can post right here. You can watch it if you want. I'm not gonna go too much into the detail. If you already on this channel in this video, probably you already know. If in case you don't know, I have trademark on a Real Individual needles in dermarollers that are way more safer, way more effective, and gives you faster, better results to look youthful and healthy. So then you will get vitamin C, which is amazing to be used after microneedling. This is the only one vitamin C serum that I do recommend. No vitamin C form with L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid should be used after microneedling. Now, if you don't know about that, again, I'm gonna post video right here. You can go and check out. I have a lot of information on YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe right now, because you can be educated how to have the best, healthiest skin of your life and look great and confident and age gracefully in a healthy way. No Botox right here, 39 years old. No Botox, no fillers, no filters, just my microneedling. Then you're going to get, oh my God, this is so good for my lips. I'm gonna plump lips and I'm around the eyes. Mini Dermaroller, mini baby dermaroller. We'll show you more in detail. Vitamin C cream. This is repair cream that you wanna use after microneedling. You will get sunscreen. This is the only one on the market, toxic-free certified sunscreen. It's clean, it's natural, does not damage corals. It's with anti-aging peptides. More in details in a bit. Then you're gonna get natural HA/BHA cleanser, great for acne skin, those who have a redness, a little bit pigmentation, aging skin. And then at the end, you will get 3 sheet masks, which are amazing to be used and hydrating and nourishing after microneedling. All right, so let's get into this. I will choose today use 0.25 millimeter dermaroller, and I will just pretend that this is my first time using microneedling tool from Amber Beauty, and I will be like, okay, what do I do? Many of you guys are lost. Where do I start? How do I use all of this? Like when and blah, blah, blah. This is the right video for you to figure out where, how, blah, blah, blah. So I washed my skin. I disinfected my skin. How to disinfect the skin is right here. I'm just showing right now what is exactly in this bundle and no any other products. You can disinfect your skin with alcohol, but I do not recommend, as it is drying a lot. Microneedling already evaporates your skin. If you're using bigger size, 0.25, no, small size, but still helpful to look healthier and youthful. I will use foam, which is oxygen. I'll post right here. Again, not talking about that right now. So I am like this. I just washed my skin with the cleanser. I don't know if I need to show you how to wash your skin. Water, apply cleanser, like move it with your finger gently for 20 seconds, wash it off. That's all. Not crazy science. This is not kindergarten. You guys are educated. But I will just remind you how careful you should be with microneedling. So when you get this, it's already disinfected. How to disinfect after microneedling tool, I already posted in the corner. So I'm opening, taking, ta-da, dermaroller, 0.25, Real Individual Needles, 192, stainless steels because it's much better than titanium. I don't recommend titanium, it is rusty, it gets dull much faster. This is for the sharpness reasons. You want to use stainless steel when you go to the hospital. Any tools in a hospital for their sharpness, scalpels, needles, everything is made of stainless steel. Ask yourself why. So this is what it is. Disinfected already this, disinfected the skin. I can start using microneedling. Now with this serum, that's what we're gonna do. With the vitamin C serum, we can do either before or after dermaroller. This time I'm going to actually apply before. So ta-da, this is how this baby looks like. All my products, by the way, I'm the owner of this brand. Hello, just in case you didn't know, I have an incredible passion for microneedling. I've been in skincare industry with microneedling for 15 years. I've been obsessed with skincare for 25 years, since I was 14 years old. Literally, I was going to Avon Cosmetics seminars learning about skincare when I was 14 years old, and I'm 39 right now. So there we go, vitamin C. This is with sodium ascorbyl phosphate and incredible plant-based other ingredients, vegan. So how I do, I actually take maybe 5 pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, not rubbing. We want to have as little irritation before, during, and after as possible. That's where there are certain techniques how to use microneedling tools, and on top of that we can actually go and use microneedling on the neck. There we go. So tap, tap, push in, take the roller. Very important how to use it, very important. Nobody's teaching this, just me. Everybody that started teaching that, copying me, but that's okay. Thank you for spreading this awareness. I'm the best at teaching microneedling. I'm telling you, I've been reading a lot of books. Actually, if you want to learn more about microneedling, there are 2 books that I do recommend. White Lotus, Holistic Microneedling, really great book, but even better book, more into medical research, this one, Dermal Needling by Dr. Lance Satterfield. All right, let's get into this. 1, this is for beginners. 2, 3, 4, 5, that's fine. And always lift. Why? I told you, we don't want to irritate the skin. So when you do this, the needles always go into the same hole. That's more irritation, less benefits, more healing. So what we do, lift, 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 and 5 times horizontally and vertically. Those who want to do diagonal, it's fine, but for a very first time, I do not recommend. It is absolutely enough to use your dermaroller 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and 1 minute. I will show you. So let's get into this. So it's up to you if you're gonna do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, or you're gonna do with the size, you can use entire face. So, and then 1, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the first time is enough. If it's your 10th time, you can use a little bit longer, 10 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you don't want, any round movements, only straight movements with dermaroller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the nose to shrink pores, amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this size, you do not need numbing cream. With the bigger sizes, yes, you need. I'm gonna put more details on the numbing cream in the description box. Here, this part is a little bit sensitive, so not gonna lie. So now, if I want to focus on another area, like for example 11 lines, I don't have Botox, so I can do that as well. So I'm gonna do there 10 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also great to lift brows, so I'll do one line, not like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines like that, like straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit extra love on the eye area because I do have crow's feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I'll show you how I disinfect. I will highly recommend to get foam. That's how I disinfect. This is liquid oxygen. I'm going to be using now Mini Dermaroller. What do I do this actually? I can use together with 0.25 or I can use separate. This is also 0.25, comes in this plastic, open just like that. Baby, this is amazing for 2 areas to me personally. Around eye area, it can go as close as a little bit more around the orbital bone. Be careful, of course, close your eyes. So 5 times again, 5 times like that. 5 times like that, and I can dermaroll even below the brow right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't do that with the bigger dermaroller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can do on the top of the brow. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Personally, me have a little bit lines here, so I'm going to do above the brow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 11 lines. 1 in each of the line. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit like that, and I do the same thing with now on the lips. I of course disinfect the lips with a little bit of foam. This area of course has to be extra disinfected. Towel that I use only for the face, and I roll each of the lip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Many people asking what do you use after. You can skip and don't use anything, or you can use any good quality oil like olive oil, coconut oil. Lips don't have pores, it's okay. On the face, don't use oils, please. Please don't use any oils after microneedling. If you don't have, you can't afford this, use nothing. So now, sunscreen, of course, I'm not going to use sunscreen with microneedling. You can use, and I will say wait at least a couple hours to start using a good quality mineral sunscreen. I don't know about other brands, I can't guarantee that. I will probably not use that the same day. This one I can guarantee you, if you use it in the next couple of hours, you will be fine. And now I could choose apply cream, or I actually can choose apply mask, or I can do that together. So I'll do 3 pumps of this, push, and I actually don't see redness, but I feel a little tingling. That's okay, that's fine. So, and the last product left is a mask. Ooh. Oh, this is so good. This is so cooling. This is so relaxing. This is like orgasmic skincare experience. Oh my goodness, and that's all. Now next day, make sure no sun. If you go in the sun, it's okay, go in the sun. Wear a big hat, a lot of sunscreen, 3 layers of sunscreen, big sunglasses. Just don't go to the beach and stay there for 10 hours. No, you can't do that. And don't exfoliate. Like, you're smart, don't exfoliate after microneedling for like 2-3 days. I mean, no scrubs, no acids, no exfoliation, not irritating any skin. Red light therapy you can use after or before, doesn't really matter. With those kind of band like type of, where it's like a device where you put like that move across your skin. Maybe wait until the next day. You don't want to irritate your skin. You don't want to touch or do something with your skin for the next 48 hours. Okay, sauna, you can go maybe next day, but remember, you have a little bit like healing going on right now, micro channels created, and you might gonna kind of feel like whenever you sweat in any way, shape or form, gym, sauna, exercising, walking, you might gonna feel a little bit burning sensation. That doesn't do any damage to your skin, it's just really uncomfortable. So I personally avoid, but you can totally do that if you want. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification button on so you can receive notifications when I upload amazing videos. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.